Let's discuss the concept of God in Islam. The best reply that any Muslim can give you regarding the concept of God in Islam is quote to you Surah Ikhlas, chapter number 112, verse number 1 to 4. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Say He's Allah, the one and only. Allahu samad. Allah, the absolute, the eternal. Lam yalid walam yulad. He begets not, nor is he begotten. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And there is nothing like unto him. And if anyone says that so and so candidate is God, and if that candidate fits in this 4-line definition, we Muslims, we have got no objection in accepting that candidate as God. The first is, Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Say He's Allah, the one and only. Second, Allahu samad. Allah, the absolute, the eternal. Lam yalid walam yulad. He begets not, nor is he begotten. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And there is nothing like unto him. This Surah Ikhlas, it is the touchstone of theology. Theo in Greek means God, and logi means study. Thus, theology means study of God. Like how, if you want to buy or sell gold, before doing that, you will go to the goldsmith and verify the gold, whether it is 24 karat gold, or whether it is 22 karat gold, or whether it is not gold at all, because all that glitters is not gold. Similarly, the God which you're worshipping, put him to the test of Surah Ikhlas, put him to the touchstone of theology, and if he passes the test, then the God which you're worshipping is the true God.